Good morning, children. Today what we are going to do? The book exercise. Because last week we completed that lesson, no? Chotu's house. What we learned in that lesson, ma? Yeah, we learned about the importance of house. How the house is protect us. And then difference between house and home. And the types of houses. And then how do we clean our house and surroundings. And when and how we decorate the house. And then like that we learned so many things about the house, no? Are you all clear that? Okay. Today what we are going to do, the book exercise, no? Okay, you all take page number 31. We can do the exercise. Okay, you can write it with pencil in that, below that question stuff you can write the answers, ma. Okay, all take that page number 31. Okay, are you all ready, ma? You all open page number 31. Okay, you all observe that picture and you have to write the answer. Okay, children? What did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? What did Chotu think, ma? When Chotu looked at the pipe, he thought that pipe would be the safest place to live. So pipe could save him from strong wind, rain and cold. Isn't it? So he thought to stay in the pipe. Next one. How did Chotu use the pipe? Chotu used the pipe as his home. Chotu used the pipe as his home. Third one. Into which part did Chotu divided the pipe and its surroundings area? How did Chotu divided the pipe? He got one big pipe, no? How did he divide that? You can see the picture. The Chotu divided the pipe into sleeping area, cooking area, a part of drying clothes, a part for keeping drinking water, and a part where guests can sit. Next, in which part this house will be Chotu like to spend most of the time? The Chotu would like most of the time in living room of the part, which can meant of the meet the guests. Next, why do we think the Chotu invented Monu to live with him in the pipe? Why did the Chotu invited Monu, ma? Yes, the Chotu invited Monu to live with him because Monu had no place to live and Chotu also need a friend. So he invited the Monu and make to stay with himself. And next page, draw the picture of the house in your notebook. That we can do when we start our class work. Okay, not now. Next, who all live with you in your house? That you can write by your own, ma. Who and all live with you? In some house only father, mother and brother and sister. In some house the grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, they all will live together. No, you can write who are all live in your house. That you can write by your own. Next, the Chotu divided the pipe into different parts, isn't it? Write the names of the different parts in your house. In your house, you have a living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, study room, puja room, guest room. What and all have in your house, you can write it in this column. Okay, children? See, these are the living room, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, study room, puja room. Next, how much time a day do you spend in each part of your house? Okay, in living room, how much time you will live? Almost 2 to 3 hours. Bedroom, almost 7 to 8 hours. Kitchen, half an hour. Because you won't go to the kitchen itself, no? Bathroom, half an hour. Next, is there any part of your house where the particular members of your family spend more time? Yes, your mother will spend more time in the kitchen, no? To cook a tasty food for you. So your mother will spend more time in the kitchen. Like that you can write. Okay, children? Is there any part of your house where the particular family member never goes for a short time? In any part like that? Yes, your father and you and all goes to kitchen for very short time only, no? Only or 5 minutes or say 3 minutes you used to go to the kitchen. Isn't it? Okay, you can write that. Okay, you must see, no, that some animals also live with us in our house. that is known as pet animals, isn't it? The dog, cat and all, our pet animal, we will be take care of them. But some animals live with us because we want them to, while some other, they are known as uninvented animal. What are the pet animal and uninvented animal in your house? Pet animal means dog, cat, you can write. Uninvented animal means bee, mosquito, spider, cockroach, lizard, like that you can write. Okay, children? Okay, now all take page number 34. Draw the picture of any two animals that live in our house uninvented. Write the names below them. Okay, so you can draw any picture, not only the rat or lizard. Whatever you can draw that picture. Okay, children? Do you keep your house clean? Yes, we keep our house clean by brooming, mopping and keeping things proper place. Like that, any 3 points you can write. Okay, children? How all help you keep your house clean? Are you all helping your mother to keep the house clean? Yes, both of my mother and my father help each other to keep our house clean. You can write my parents can help each other to keep the house clean. Like that also you can write. This and all you want to write by your own, you no need to see and write. Okay, what and all you are doing in your home, that only you are going to write, isn't it? So you can write by your own. Next, where do you throw the garbage of your house? Where will you throw? Yes, you throw in the dustbin. You can write it in short answer also you can write it. We will throw the garbage in the dustbin. Next, is the area around your house is clean? Yes or no? Yes, the area around my house is. Okay, children, you all complete till page 34. We can continue next page and all in next class. Okay, children? You all write neatly, ma. I think you can write by your own itself. Okay. Thank you.